Gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo tonight. Alam po namin medyo mahirap pumunta dito, lalo na kung galing kayo ng South. Grabe yung traffic. But anyway, maraming salamat po. Sana po na-enjoy po ninyo yung pelikula. And maraming salamat to my Gomo family for making this happen.
Thank you again for attending this special screening. Sobrang kaming production finally nakita namin on the big screen kasi nga nasa Amazon Prime Video na. Gusto ko rin i-recognize yung mga production and staff nandito. Yung cinematographer namin si Ian Guevara nandito. Sina Vince, Camdet, our wardrobe rin, sina Casey, our intern si Cher is here. And yung stunt coordinator namin si Migs Ra. So yun pinaghirapan namin yung buong film na to last year. Sobrang hirap again mag green light ng mga gantong genre film. So very thankful kami sa Viva, of course sa cast for agreeing to do a film like this. And yung iba nga parang out of their comfort zone pero ang ganda ng mga performance niya. So thank you again for being part of this film. And thank you for attending the screen.
Salamat po. Alright. Bert, you wanna say anything? Okay ka na? Napaka-shy type talaga nitong lalaking ito. You may take your seats. Maraming salamat po. So,